Zimbabwe, a landlocked country in southern Africa, is a place of incredible beauty. Its landscapes are as diverse as they are breathtaking, offering a visual feast for those who venture here. It's a place where vast plains meet rugged mountains, creating a dramatic contrast that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. Mighty rivers carve their way through these dramatic landscapes, shaping the land and providing life to the ecosystems that thrive here. Zimbabwe is home to a rich tapestry of flora and fauna. From the dense forests teeming with wildlife to the open savannas where majestic animals roam freely, the biodiversity here is simply astounding. It's a true gem of Africa, waiting to be explored. The pristine natural beauty and untouched wilderness offer a sanctuary for those seeking solace and adventure alike. From the moment you arrive, you're captivated by the warmth of the people and the stunning scenery. The locals' hospitality is as inviting as the landscapes are mesmerizing. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time explorer, Zimbabwe has something extraordinary to offer everyone. The sense of adventure here is palpable, and the opportunities for exploration are endless. Prepare to be amazed by the raw, untamed beauty that unfolds before your very eyes. Every corner of this land holds a new wonder, a new story waiting to be discovered. Get ready to embark on a journey through Zimbabwe's most breathtaking scenery. From the rolling hills to the expansive valleys, each vista is more stunning than the last. We'll delve into the heart of its iconic landmarks, from the thundering Victoria Falls, one of the most spectacular waterfalls in the world, to the tranquil eastern highlands, where serene landscapes offer a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Let's discover the magic that awaits in this remarkable country. Zimbabwe is not just a destination, it's an experience that will leave an indelible mark on your soul. Victoria Falls, locally known as Mosi-oa-Tunya, the smoke that thunders, is one of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders on Earth. This majestic waterfall is not just a sight to behold, but an experience that engages all your senses. The name itself evokes a sense of mystery and power, hinting at the incredible force of nature that lies ahead. Located on the Zambezi River, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a must-see for any visitor to Zimbabwe. The falls stretch over a mile wide, creating a curtain of water that cascades down with immense power. This natural wonder is a testament to the beauty and raw power of our planet. Imagine standing before a waterfall so massive, so powerful, that it creates a mist visible for miles. The mist rises high into the air, creating rainbows that dance in the sunlight, adding to the magical atmosphere. The air is filled with the refreshing scent of fresh water, and the cool mist gently caresses your face. The sheer force of the water plummeting into the gorge below is a sight that will stay with you forever. The water crashes down with such intensity that it creates a thunderous roar, echoing through the surrounding landscape. It's a powerful reminder of nature's might and the relentless flow of time. The roar of the water is deafening, a symphony of nature's power. It's a sound that resonates deep within you, stirring a sense of awe and respect for the natural world. The continuous roar is both humbling and exhilarating, making you feel alive and connected to the earth. As you take in the magnitude of Victoria Falls, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. The sheer scale and beauty of the falls leave an indelible mark on your soul. It's a place where you can truly appreciate the grandeur of nature and the incredible forces that shape our world. There are countless ways to experience the magic of Victoria Falls. For the adventurous, there's bungee jumping and whitewater rafting in the Zambezi River's raging rapids. If you prefer a more relaxed experience, take a sunset cruise along the Zambezi River. Watch as the sky explodes in a kaleidoscope of colors, casting a golden glow on the cascading water. For a unique perspective, soar above the falls in a helicopter or microlight flight. From the air, you'll fully appreciate the immensity of this natural wonder. Victoria Falls is an experience that will leave you breathless, no matter how you choose to experience it. Escape the heat of the lowlands and discover the cool, misty mountains of the Eastern Highlands. This region is a paradise for hikers, nature lovers, and those seeking tranquility. Imagine rolling hills blanketed in emerald green tea plantations, their slopes dotted with charming villages. The air is fresh and crisp, scented with pine and wildflowers. Waterfalls cascade down rocky cliffs, their melodies echoing through the valleys. The Eastern Highlands are a world away from the hustle and bustle, a place to reconnect with nature and find peace. Section 5. Eastern Highlands. Exploring the scenic route. Embark on a scenic drive along the winding roads that snake through the Eastern Highlands. Each turn reveals a new vista, a picturesque landscape begging to be photographed. Stop at roadside stalls to sample fresh, locally grown produce. Chat with friendly locals, their faces etched with the wisdom of generations past. Hike to the top of Mount Nyangani, Zimbabwe's highest peak, and be rewarded with panoramic views that stretch as far as the eye can see. The Eastern Highlands offer an escape into a world of natural splendor. Section 6. Lake Kariba. A serene oasis. Teeming with life. Lake Kariba, one of the world's largest man-made lakes, is a haven for wildlife and a paradise for those seeking adventure. Created by damming the Zambezi River, Lake Kariba's shores are a sanctuary for a diverse array of animals. Imagine cruising along the lake's shimmering waters, surrounded by towering mountains. Herds of elephants gather at the water's edge to drink, while pods of hippopotamuses wallow in the shallows. Fish eagles soar overhead, their calls echoing across the water. Lake Kariba offers a glimpse into the heart of Africa's untamed beauty. Section 7. Lake Kariba. Adventures on the water. Lake Kariba is a playground for water enthusiasts. Cast a line and try your luck at catching tigerfish, renowned for their fighting spirit. Embark on a houseboat safari and spend your days exploring hidden coves and inlets. As the sun sets, watch in awe as the sky transforms into a canvas of fiery hues. Dive beneath the surface and discover a world teeming with fish. Lake Kariba offers an unforgettable aquatic adventure. Section 8. Matobo National Park. A sanctuary of history and nature. Matobo National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a place of ancient history and natural wonders. Located in Zimbabwe, this park spans over 4,500 hectares and is a treasure trove of geological, ecological, and cultural significance. The park is renowned for its dramatic granite rock formations, sculpted by centuries of erosion. These formations create a surreal landscape that has fascinated geologists and visitors alike for generations. Imagine exploring a landscape dotted with massive boulders, precariously balanced upon one another. Each step you take reveals a new perspective of this ancient terrain, where nature's artistry is on full display. These rocks, known as balancing rocks, seem to defy gravity. They stand as silent sentinels, bearing witness to the passage of time and the forces of nature that shape them. The park is also home to a rich variety of wildlife and is a sanctuary for both black and white rhinoceros. These majestic creatures roam freely, protected within the park's boundaries, contributing to the biodiversity that makes Matobo so unique. Discover ancient cave paintings left behind by early inhabitants, offering a glimpse into the past. These artworks tell stories of the people who once lived here, their daily lives, and their spiritual beliefs. Matobo National Park is a journey through time and nature. It invites you to explore its diverse landscapes, from the rugged granite hills to the serene valleys, each with its own story to tell. Section 9. Gonarajo National Park, Untamed Wilderness. Venture off the beaten path and discover the raw, untamed beauty of Gonarajo National Park. Located in southeastern Zimbabwe, Gonarajo is a true wilderness, a place where nature reigns supreme. Imagine vast landscapes where elephants roam freely and lions stalk their prey. The park is named after the Shona word for elephant, and it's easy to see why. Explore ancient baobab trees, their gnarled trunks resembling giant sentinels guarding the land. Gonarajo National Park offers a glimpse into Africa as it once was, a land of untamed beauty and adventure. Section 10. Exploring further afield. Your next adventure awaits. Zimbabwe's landscapes are as diverse as they are breathtaking. We've only scratched the surface of what this beautiful country has to offer. What other hidden gems lie waiting to be discovered? Perhaps we'll delve into the depths of the Zambezi Valley or explore the mysteries of the Great Zimbabwe Ruins. Tell me, where would you like to journey next? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue our exploration together. Let's keep the spirit of adventure alive.